came to this country. When I come to this country, one eye was bigger than one. Do you know what I'm going through?
And he should pay a fine for talking to us like that. When was the last time you went home? Eh? Lost and abroad.
How you present yourself is very important.
Kila wiki anapigia simu kutoka Nairobi nimtumie pesa.
Ochieng, are you okay?
Man, I'm tired of my dad trying to tell me what to study.
Oh, so she's no longer your daughter? Huh?
You know what? I'm going to the salon. I don't even have time for this.
She's lost in abroad.
I cannot move back over there with all that crime and poverty.
I can't imagine myself taking that kind of money and hiding it in a foreign account. That would be like money lost abroad.
What do you mean by getting my blood?
Are you questioning me? Huh? Come on, go back there and study.
Dad, how many aunties and uncles do we have?
J'aime la langue et je veux devenir la première femme secrétaire générale des Nations Unies.
Just know that military people are not regarded as anything back home.
I'm your daughter, but it's starting to seem like you don't even know me.
Am I now westernized because I want some affection from my husband?
You went home to marry to avoid being lost in abroad.
Yeah. Now I'm dead in abroad.
I want to live in Africa.
Does anybody know anything about him?
Please address him properly. He has been crowned a high chief.
We are here wiring money back to Africa, and they are there wiring you chieftaincy title.
Yeah.
I want tea for you. I want tea for you.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Huh? You're always looking clean.
Thank you, my brother. There's a lot this clothes is covering, man. You know.
If we don't come home, you guys say we are lost in abroad. When we come home...
Welcome to Providence Medical. Are you a new patient?
Tell him that he can do exactly that only if he works hard.
What do you know about Everson Walls?
We've heard so much about you.
Thank you. We've heard a lot about you too.
Finally! I'm a chief and nobody showed me the kola nut. Huh? People are lost in abroad though.
I'm sorry, Obi. I thought you were trying to commit suicide in here.
And who said that moving back to Africa is suicide?
So you've been planning this for a while. I mean, is that why you took out all of our life savings and built this big house that only rats and lizards live in?